everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. If you're interested to see what I have in this package, stand by. Alright, y'all, so I brought some bubblegum beads from Moose Beads, and I am excited to get into this package to look at them. They look really, really cute on their website. I was watching Jessica Flynn's video, the Flynn Sisters Boutique, and she used these beads in one of her projects for badge reels. I will definitely be trying to do that. My little intake on the badge reels and stuff like that with the beads. So stand by for that video. That should be posted up sometime this week. But if you want to see how she did it, go ahead and check out her video. But anyway, she purchased some beads from them and they were really, really cute. So I was like, okay, let me go on there and check it out. And I believe I got a discount of $8. I think it was because it was my first time purchasing from them. So I'll put their link down there in the description box below if you want to check out their website. I do not have a discount code or anything, but if you're purchasing from them for the first time, you do get a discount. So I don't think it was a sale or anything like that. I think it was just because I was new, because I got like $8 off. So yeah, and then they do send emails if something is sold out, and they will instantly refund you your money back. So I like that part. And I also like if they don't have, like when they're restocking, they close their website off and tell you what time to come back the next day to start purchasing again. So I do like that about their customer service and their website. All right, let's get into this package, y'all. So these are, let me see if they got the receipt in here. They do. Oop. So it came with the receipt, of course, and it came with their business card. This is cute. And it says, thank you for your order. Find us on Facebook, Platinum Moose Beads. And then it just has moosebeads.com on the front. So not a lot, simple and sweet, like that. And let's go through this. Oh, white with gold polka dot, basic, simple and basic. So these are the white and gold polka dot beads right there, and they came 10 in a pack, and they don't have the price on there, but the beads were, I want to say $5 and below. I think the most was maybe like $4 or something, but it was pretty inexpensive, and you get like a lot of beads in each pack. So this pack came with 10. All right, and then I got some charms and stuff like that, so I'll go through the charms later. Oh, what's this? Is this just something to put in there? I don't know. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, this is cute. I didn't order this, I don't think. Did I order this? No, I think they gave me a little free gift, y'all. That's cute. It looked like a Christmas stocking. So that's really cute. Aw. I'm going to put that to the side. And then these are wizard beads. So they are from Harry Potter. And they say, I solemnly swear I am up to no good. So you got 10 of these. Oop. This package has a little hole in it, but that's fine. I didn't lose any beads. So, oh man. Get back in the pack. Goodness. All right, we just want to set that to the side. And then I got some basketball ones here. They all came 10 in the pack. I got these ones. These are really, really cute. They're like little, I think they're called unicorn beads. Let me see. I don't see what these, okay, they're yellow and pink confetti rhinestone beads. So look how cute those are. Those are really cute. And then these are bride beads. So bride is written on them there. And then these are just regular black beads. These are definitely cow ones, cow printed beads. Yep, cow print. And each pack so far came with 10 in the pack. These are, where'd that bead go? This bead is trying to run away. These are just plain white ones. And these ones I believe were $2 for 10 in a pack. The black ones were $2 for 10 in the pack. I remember the solid colors were like $2. These ones I think were like $3.95 or $4.95, but you get 10 in a pack. So you're paying like 49 cents a bead or something like that, or 2 cents a bead, or 20 cents a bead for these ones. Yeah, 20 cents a bead for these ones, and maybe like 39 cents a bead. So not too bad. And then these are just pastel colored, multicolored pack. These are the night before Christmas. So you see, can you see it? That's the night before Christmas. And I believe I got a charm of the night before Christmas. These are cherry red jelly beads. These are so pretty. I like those. These are paint splatter ones. Again, all of those were 10 in a pack. These are iridescent, clear iridescent beads. I cannot wait to get these in the sun. Look how, oh my God, that, ooh, that sparkle. These are regular gold beads right here. Solid yellow beads, I believe these were $2 too. And solid blue beads, I believe those are also $2. And then these are turquoise these are turquoise bayberry beads. So it looks like they have like a little, not a rhinestone because it's not sparkly, but it has like some kind of effect on there, which is cute. And then these are, I believe these are purple, or these brown. But I think I bought some brown ones. Okay, these are the fall gray color beads. So they look like they have like a purple hint to it, but I guess it is gray. But yes, these are good. And these all came 10 in a pack. Oh, I got some more. And these are the Bride Tribe beads. So they have Bride Tribe on there. And then these ones are clear matte frosted beads. All of these came 10 in a pack. And they ranged, I want to say, from, I know $2 was the base and up to $4.95 and you get 10 in a pack. So not bad at all. And they were pretty fast with shipping. They also gave me a free gift. And then I had brought some of these, which were like charms, and they didn't have my wizard book charms, which I was kind of sad about because I really wanted to do something with those, but hopefully I can catch them next time. These are some leopard mouse beads. They are silicone, so you can squeeze them and you can bounce them. There were 3 of these, and I want to say they were like 3 something or 4 something. I can't remember how much those were. And then I have the night before Christmas charm here. It came with the chain. So you already know I'm going to use those beads and something else to make a keychain of them. So that's the charm there. And you can easily take this off and make something out of it. So I definitely will be doing that. So stay in tune for that one. This is really nice. I like that sparkle on there. Then I have some coffee charms there. And then I just have this Merry Christmas resin charm. So you can either put this on a badge reel or a phone grip, or you can drill a hole in it and make it a keychain thing. So I will be using that one. And then I have some apple charms. So those are that, and they came 5 in a pack. So yeah, y'all, that is my haul. This is a really short video, not too much. I just wanted to show you because I haven't done a haul video with any beads lately. But that has been my main thing I've been focusing on especially for my business, is beading and making the beaded keychains, because I love making them. And they come out so cute, and you can just design it anyway. So I wanted to start using my beads more, other than for bracelets and for jewelry purposes. So I use them for keychains, and I like the beaded badge reels and stuff like that. So I've been kind of focusing on that for my business. But I also still make, you know, shirts and all that other good stuff, but I like making the keychains too. But yeah, y'all, just wanted to show you where you get some bubblegum beads from if you cannot find any on Etsy. So I just wanted to give y'all another option, and they are moosebeads.com. And like I said, I will put their website in the description box below. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and like this video, hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to my channel, and go ahead and hit that notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. And also, if you have any crafts, if you end up purchasing any bubblegum beads and you are making anything with them, please go ahead and share it in my Facebook group. It is it is Crafted Made Easy, spelled the same way it is on this channel. But yeah, y'all, just post your crafts, post anything you have to say in there. Don't be shy. No one is going to cuss you out or scream or anything like that. It's just a fun group just to kind of show your crafts and get any type of advice or suggestions or anything like that. All right, y'all, let me stop talking and get off of this camera. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. And again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, y'all, peace.